Russian authorities mentioned the possibility of creating an autonomous internet disconnected from global access. They blame social networks since recently Russian citizens have organized to protest against their government for sentencing an opposing activist and politician. China and India are in the list of countries that already restrict access and use of certain foreign technologies. Even the US was trying to ban some Chinese applications in the previous administration. My analysis and perspective: the risk of internet fragmentation increases. Arguing disinformation, some countries consider restricting access to global connectivity. Authorities know that foreign companies concentrate private information of their citizens. The dilemma is constant. Disinformation persists and is mixed with legitimate information, but restricting everything puts freedom of expression at peril. In such a case, social networks would be greatly affected and more similar versions would be created in different countries.